Okay guys, we did it all over again. We've ripped out the air struts and we have put some Unity coilover shockers, which you can see that the height is actually absolutely fine. They're actually quite long, where the back you really need to pull down on the lower control arms because the actual coilover is actually quite long. And it's a bit hard to compress, so yeah, a bit of force required there. And so they've all been put on and all the sensors have been left back in there for the ride height. So I've taken it for a drive last night down the Westgate Freeway, which is in Melbourne, Australia, and it absolutely drives fantastic. There's no more bouncing, and yeah, the control, the height of it is perfect. It's soft to firm, yeah, so totally no bouncing. Also the sensors, the pump's not going to go on and off because the ride height is at a perfect height, so there's no code errors on the dashboard, which I'm very happy with that. And as you can see, the ride height is absolutely perfect. My mechanic actually rang me up and he said to me, "Oh, the height, the the struts are actually quite long," and he was worried that that we're not going to be able to. Oh, you can't see the springs there. He was worried that it's going to be really high like a four-wheel drive, but mate, it's actually perfect. So yeah, the Unity gas struts, which come with a 12-month warranty. I'm here in Melbourne, Australia, so it cost me $1,000 Australian to bring it in. Fantastic. Do it. Don't bother yourself with air suspension. Absolute nightmare. And the air suspension on these cars are actually a lot more reliable than European cars. But let's not change subject, and I'm going to close it here. So Unity struts, go for it. Thank you.